Hey guys, this is Wendell Mudley coming to you with another fishing vlog. So it is about 1 week after the floods here in KwaZulu-Natal, and yeah, the damage has just been so catastrophic. More than 400 people actually losing their lives in the process, lots of people unaccounted for, and we're just basically trying to reel in all of the events that have happened. But decided to come out to the beach and should be able to bring you some footage to see what the water is like. And as I'm seated here today, the water is very discolored. As I look around, the conditions are actually pretty good today, but the water itself is very discolored, and it's going out for miles. So I'm going to show you some footage of that in a second. Nonetheless, we are still going to fish today. So we did bring our tackle, and I've actually just bought one scratching rod, and I'm going to try with it maybe for some edibles and see what's around. Normally with the discolored water you can still get fish, so you know there is hope. With regard to the conditions today, it's actually a pretty nice afternoon. There's a very slight northeasterly that's blowing, and the sea conditions besides the discoloration actually looks nice. So yeah guys, stay tuned and let's see what happens today. As bad as the flooding has been, guys, and we hear so many of these sad stories of people that have lost their lives, our hearts really go out to those families, but we also want to give thanks to God for keeping us safe. And if you're tuning in and you're safe as well, it's a reason just to give thanks that we're able to fish another day. So yeah, we are thinking about those people that have lost loved ones, and our prayers are with you. But yeah, we continue to fish, and hopefully this video will bring a smile to your face, so stay tuned. So what do we have here?
Well, this is a blacktail, and it seems like it's a size 1, but it's not that big. So it would be nice if we can grow a little bit bigger. This size, yeah. We let him go. We'll get a bigger one next time.
Yes. another species.
Let's see what I can do here.
Hey guys, it's gone dark now. It's almost about 7 o'clock. Look at the crabs. Here's my setup tonight. Kuma Tomcat 8000, 10-foot Kuma rod. Rotation ball, number 5 hook, the small bottleneck sinker, 3 ounce. Hey, what did we get?
Hey, the lovely sized crayfish, yeah?
Yeah, look at him. And you got him on what hook?
Hey, normal hook we got this thing, yeah?
Number 5.
Number 5 hook, yeah.
Yeah.
A nice good sized crayfish, this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's unusual to catch them. You normally fish with them for the gear,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
lucky.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thanks.
Hey guys, we're continuing to fish. It's gone dark now, and yes, the southwesterly has picked up, so it's blowing quite heavy at the moment. And but it's been a good evening so far. We've just enjoyed ourselves with the small fish and just messing around, different species. So yeah, we're just deciding now whether to continue or call the session. Hey guys, that does it for our session tonight. It's been a good evening of fishing, and a few species tonight caught, and but most importantly just to be out at the beach again after all of this flooding we've experienced. So it's actually been nice just to be out at the beach. So don't forget guys, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. You can also turn on the bell notification so that you'll know when a new video is released. Yeah, until our next episode, take care.